Ready, start. On a revision being filed by the appellants, an interim order staying the execution of the order of 2/6/1999 was made on 25/6/1999, full stop. The interim order was also given effect to, full stop. The appellants were posted back to their respective positions, full stop. In the revision, the appellants canvassed the ground of the violation of the principles of natural justice, full stop. Before the revisional authority, the appellants specifically contended that they were appointed in accordance with law based on the merit list and that there was no irregularity, full stop. They disputed the allegation that they were appointed on account of the fact that they were relatives, full stop. However, the commissioner rejected the argument holding that, if selection has been made in violation of the scheme, then the same can be cancelled without giving an opportunity of hearing, full stop. The revisional authority failed to notice that the entire selection had not been cancelled and only the selection of the 14 appointees, including the 10 appellants, had been cancelled, full stop. Ultimately, the revision was dismissed by an order of the commissioner dated 14/3/2000, full stop. The appointed candidates totaling 11 within bracket including the 10 appellants herein bracket close filed writ petition number 2522 of 2000 before the High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Jabalpur, full stop. On 3/3/2000, in the writ petition filed, an order directing maintenance of status quo was made, full stop. The writ petition came to be dismissed by the learned single judge on 31/7/2008, full stop. Before the learned single judge, grounds of violations of natural justice were argued, full stop. Apart from that, one of the other main grounds argued was that the role played by the relatives has not been examined and that it was not established whether the selection was influenced by their participation, full stop. It was pointed out that pursuant to the resolution passed before the selection by the standing committee on 1/8/1998, the relatives concerned had left the process of selection during the interview of the candidates who were their relatives, full stop. It was also pointed out that the marks to be given by the relatives were, as per the resolution, allotted to the chief executive officer, who gave the marks, full stop. As such, it was argued that there was no reason to set aside the selection merely because there were relatives in the selection committee, since they had recused when the case of the relatives came up, full stop. Yet another ground about the maintainability of the appeal was raised, full stop. Since that was not pressed before us, that is not being elaborated herein, full stop. The learned single judge permitted inspection of the records to the counsel for the appellants, full stop. The learned single judge held that the argument of violation of natural justice was to be tested on the touchstone of actual prejudice, full stop. It was held by the learned single judge that when action or orders are challenged on the ground of non-grant of hearing, mechanical interference is not to be resorted to, full stop. The learned single judge held that the prejudice caused due to non-grant of hearing and the fact of the prejudice on the final outcome ought to be established, full stop.